14. Find the sum of the odd numbers between 0 and 50. 0 ki 50 ki madhyalo ఉన్న odd numbers ento what sum ento cheppali. Okay, see what is the first odd number between 0 to 50? So 1. Odd numbers between 0 and 50 are 1. First number is 1. What is the next number? 3. Next number is 5. So on 49. Okay. So here A1 is first term is 1. A2 is 3. A3 is 5. AN is 49. I don't know which number it is. Okay. So A2 minus A1. First find A2 minus A1. That is 3 minus 1, 2. A3 minus A2. 5 minus 3, also 2. Therefore, A2 minus A1 equals to A3 minus A2. A2 minus A1 equals to A3 minus A2. So the sequence is arithmetic sequence. That means arithmetic progression. So the progression is in arithmetic progression. Okay, what is the sum formula? Sn equals to n by 2 into a plus an. Here I don't know the value of n. So first find the value of n. Okay, since an equals to 49. What is the formula? An formula a plus n minus 1 into d equals to 49. So the value of a is 1 plus n minus 1. D value is here d value. So common difference is same. So this is called d. D equals to 2. Okay. So 2 equals to 49. So n minus 1 into 2 equals to 2. 1 transpose to right side. 49 minus 1, that is 48. N minus 1 into 2 equals to 48. So n minus 1 equals to 48 over 2. 2 transpose right side divided by 2. So that is 24. So n equals to 24 minus 1 transpose right side plus 1, that is 25. N equals to 25. Now we will find sum. Okay. Sn formula. What is Sn formula? N by 2 into a plus an. Here how many terms are there? 25 terms. So now I want S25 equals to 25 over 2. A value 1 plus an value 49. That equals to 25 by 2. 1 plus 49 is 50. 1 plus 49 is 50. So 2 how many times? 25 times. 2 how many times? 25 times. So 25 times of 25. That is 625. Yes, 25. That means sum of odd numbers between 0 and 50 is 625. Therefore, sum of odd numbers between 0 and 25 is 625. Sorry, 0 and 50 is 625.